Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 1993 Honda Civic automatic. We will be replacing the timing belt kit. So that include pulley, water pump for this car. So 1993 Honda Civic 16 bulb timing belt replacement. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so let's start from the top. Let's remove bulb cover gasket. So I'm not gonna show you every single removal procedure anymore. So we'll start with the bulb cover. Okay, next one is your power steering pump. So that would be, hold on, give you a better view. This one, number 12. Then there's one more underneath. It's number 12. Now it's underneath. I know you couldn't see it, but somewhere there. But it's better if we remove the power steering pressure hose. Because it's gonna leak. It will leak. There you go. We can remove this whole assembly. Now we can remove this plastic cover. It's number 10. Okay, be careful. Oh, it's plastic. Uh-oh. The other one. This one is a little bit. Let's put some WD-40. Alright, we need to remove this exhaust cover too, because we are going to remove this bracket. See this bracket? There is a nut underneath, or bolt underneath this exhaust manifold cover. So let's just remove it. It's number 12. I already loosened it. And it's still not loose. Uh-oh. not loose. This is Milwaukee number 12. There's one more over there, but we can't use my Milwaukee. So let's do it manually. Alright, nice one. There. So this is what I'm talking about right here. I didn't see it. Right over there. I couldn't see that. There's a bolt. Alright, let's remove that. Number 14. There. Nice. And last one right there. Okay, good. Alright, now everything is loose. Just remove it. Alright, so let's remove the bracket. So, two bolts are longer. So see that? The one on the top are longer than the one on the bottom. So these are short bolt. So that's from below, and from the top it's long one. It's very short, long one. So long one, and too short, too long. Alright, so over here there is this AC compressor belt that we need to remove, and we need to loosen this first. This number 14. See that? I already loosen it. Then we're gonna loosen this. I think this is number 10. Then we can remove this belt. I won't be able to show you because we don't have enough, room in here. And also, we are going to remove the bracket for this AC compressor belt adjuster. So we have to remove that, and also the pulley. So that's the adjuster a while ago, and this is your pulley. So just put all the bolts over here. It should be like this, like that. Alright, and set it aside, because the reason we have to remove that because of that bolt right there. That bolt for this cover, and that's pretty much it. We're almost there. That's a lot of belt to remove. Now next one is this alternator. The alternator belt. So we're not gonna remove the alternator, we just loosen this. I think this one, that's number 12 I guess, and then this will loosen up. Right, let's see, it's number 12. Oh yeah, number 12. Hello, it's easy, just loosen it. That's now we can pull this belt, pull it up, see it moves. Now we're gonna move the belt. Easy. That's it. Alright, so we will be replacing. We'll be removing harmonic balancer. We're using number 17. Oh boy, that was fast. Come here, come here. That's the bolt right here. Now let's remove this. Let's check if there's a keyway. There's no keyway. There's a keyway right there, but the keyway is missing. It's okay. It's the harmonic balancer. I already timed it. So there's up position right there. I could see it. So up position, and also there's a line over here. I don't know if you could see it. Alright, so that's my markings. That's up. Over here, it's really tough to see it. You should align that thing right there. Oh boy. Right, so the way you remove that spring, get also a spring, and then just, I don't know if you could see that right there, and then pull it right there. See it? That's how you remove this. Now you can remove the pulley. I think this is number 14. So it's number 14. You can use this wrench. It's really hard to show it to you, but this is what I use. Now it's loose. Pulley bolt is loose. Now we can remove the pulley. Okay. Pulley. That's the pulley. Let's put it here. That's the belt. The belt. It's not that bad though. Alright. Now we can remove this. I think it has a 4 bolts. The water pump. Number 10. Alright, so I already loosened it using this. There were 4 bolts. For your water pump. This I'm not sure if all of them are same size. Okay, let's remove the first one. So Sorry if I block your view, but obviously right there it has a marking. So I guess this, we replace the timing belt 215. So this is a long one. Let's put it here. Let's check this second one on the top. I hope they're both the same size, same length. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Same length, perfect. Now let's go underneath. You know what, I think I can do it. Go do it from here on the top. Like I said, I already loosened it. Oh yeah, same size. Last one. By the way, the reason why we are replacing the timing belt kit, water pump, because there's a little leak on the water pump. And either way, oh, I think this one is smaller. Oh, this one is smaller. There's one small one. Luckily I put this way, so one is small. So those red one are on the top. Luckily they put some markings. And then this one. Anyway, let's just remove it. Hold on. We have to remove this bolt too. This is included to your water pump. I think this is number 14. That's for your alternator. Okay, that's number 14. Number 14. Let's use. Let's move it. Come on. Here you go. Let's put it over here. Now let's, you know what? Let's just remove the whole thing. Let's just remove the whole thing. Come on. You're a long one. Okay. It's for the adjuster. Put them together. Let's remove this. There you go. Out of the way. Now let's. Okay. Now let's remove the thing. Alright. That's your water pump. There you go. Water pump. It's already worn. The gasket is worn. Anyway, that's it. Just gonna clean it up. Okay, I think we can see it now. There's an arrow right there. Hold on, I think we can see it in here. For the markings. Oh boy. Right there. See that arrow on the top? Right there. That arrow. That's for the markings. Let's just clean it up. Put the new water pump, and that's it. A lot of work. It's okay.